Sheikh, I asked months ago about the Kappa logo and whether it was halal or haram, but I forgot an important detail, which is that I actually checked the website and they said that their logo is originated from a picture of a male and female. So question is it haram to wear such outfits with the logo apparent?
Akhi, first of all, are you obsessed? Ask this question in a normal way. Why are you so obsessed with this brand? There are thousands of different brands. Go to them if you have doubt in your heart. If you are not obsessed, I gave you the answer. I don't care whether the company says it's a man and a woman resting their backs to one another and making a logo similar to the M. The logo I see has no representation of that. I don't see any fitna in that. So I have no problem with it. Now, if you're doubtful, akhi, ignore it. Totally abandon it. Throw it in the trash. Go to thousands and thousands of other brands that don't have such ambiguity or such dubious thought behind it. And Allah knows best. And the purpose of this test, to check whether the pregnancy, whether the fetus is healthy or there's a possibility of having complications such as Down syndrome or a deficiency in the body or something that is serious. And they would recommend to terminate the pregnancy if the test is positive. So he says, is this permissible? The most authentic opinion is, if the pregnancy is below 40 days old, you can terminate it. You can abort it. It's like having the after night pill, I think they call it, the after pill, which a couple may take after having intercourse, and it would terminate any possibility of pregnancy. So within the 40 days, it's permissible. After the 40 days, it is not permissible unless there's a legitimate, confirmed reason. So from 40 days till before 120 days, the soul has not been breathed in the fetus. Because the Prophet ﷺ told us, when the fetus is 120 days old, the angel comes and breathes in the soul. Now it's a human being. So if the tests are confirmed that the fetus does not have limbs, or it has extreme problems with the heart, or it has no brain, or it will have Down syndrome, and this is verified, this is checked and authentic by many doctors. In this case, it is permissible to abort. Once the child is 120 days old, the fetus, or over, then you cannot do that anymore. Even if they confirm that there is something serious, because the child is a human being. Let it be. After birth, if Allah chooses and wills to end its life, alhamdulillah. You did your due diligence and you have nothing on you, inshallah.